What if I told you being smart with money has nothing to do with how smart you are? Some of the richest people never studied finance, and some of the smartest people still end up broke. Because money isn't about math, it's about behavior. And in this video, you'll learn 5 powerful lessons that can completely change how you think about money. Most people think wealth comes from intelligence, hard work, or luck, but the truth is, it comes from how you behave with money over time. That's the core idea behind the psychology of money. Let's break it down. Lesson 1. No one is crazy. People make weird financial decisions. Some save everything, some spend everything. But here's the truth. No one is crazy. Everyone makes decisions based on their own experiences. Someone who grew up poor sees money differently than someone who grew up rich. Powerline. Your money decisions make sense to you, even if they don't to others. Lesson 2. Luck and risk play a huge role. Success is not only about hard work. Luck matters, and risk matters too. Two people can work equally hard but get completely different results. That's why you should never compare your financial journey with others. Be humble when you win, and careful when you judge others. Lesson 3. The power of compounding. Wealth is built slowly, not overnight. The secret? Compounding. Small money growing over time becomes huge. Even Warren Buffett became rich not just because he's smart, but because he invested for a very long time. Powerline. Time is the most powerful force in money. Lesson 4. Be rich versus stay rich. Making money is one thing. Keeping it is another. Many people become rich but lose everything. Why? Because they take too much risk. To build wealth, take smart risks. To keep wealth, avoid stupid risks. Lesson 5. True wealth is invisible. We think rich people show their wealth. Big cars, big houses, luxury lifestyle. But real wealth? It's invisible. It's the money you don't spend. Savings, investments, freedom. Powerline. Spending money to show people you're rich is the fastest way to stay poor. So here's what you learned. Money is about behavior, not intelligence. Everyone's financial story is different. Compounding is your biggest advantage. Making money is easy. Keeping it is hard. Real wealth is what you don't see. Now ask yourself, are you trying to look rich or actually become rich? Comment your biggest money habit below. And if you want more powerful lessons like the psychology of money, hit subscribe and start building real wealth.